first thing you have to do is to choose your video. For me, it was either this one or this one. You can find them on Pixel. Here's the website Pixel where you can find the video. But let's go back to work. Start by putting your video on the timeline like this. When you put your video, just go to mask, press add mask, and you choose text. Now you can write the text you want to appear on the screen. For me, it is text. Now go and choose the font. Use this one, Core Sense. Usually you will have to put the name here, but me, I can find it right here. Then you just have to increase the size and adjust the position. For me, it's like -185, like this. But you can also use your mouse to change the position. Me, I like it to have like a glow effect. So to add that glow effect, I just go on effect and I look for glow like this. I choose the first one, glow 2. I put it on my video to have that glow effect that you can see. And I also like to increase the beauty of the video by doing some small work on the colors. Like there is a lot of green on the picture, so I will just increase his visibility. I will just make it brighter and also increase the highlights like this. Then the last thing is to work on exposure little bit, clarity a little bit. Oh yeah, like this. I like it like this. It's okay. You can add a song if you want. Me, I just want to put vlog songs like this one. I like this one.